Overall, the body is thinner, and we minimize the gap between the screens, making this ergonomic design fit comfortably in your pocket. I'm turning it on now. After we launched the first Galaxy Fold, users told us they used the front screen as much as the inner, wider screen. We listened and adapted. The new Z Fold 2 sports a wider 6.2-inch full-cover display with no compromises. So even when it's closed, you have a full smartphone experience. Open the device, and you can access an even more immersive viewing experience. We've maximized the screen with our whole-in display technology, bringing our Infinity O display to the Z Fold 2 across a beautiful 7.6 inches. Of course, the Z Fold 2 embodies our 120 Hz refresh rate technology and additional upgrades. We optimize the display layers, reinforce the entire structure to make the phone tougher in real-world environments. Now, let's take a look. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 has the most advanced flexible display ever, giving you an immersive theater, an epic game room, and a creative work studio, all in one, delivering an uninterrupted viewing experience. And whether you're working or playing games on the 5G network, the dual intelligent battery will last all day. Now, the display is only part of what makes the Fold experience possible. We completely re-engineered the hinge of the Z Fold 2 to improve resilience so you can use it with greater confidence in its durability. We want to show you how we designed the Z Fold 2, and insiders gave us a deep dive look.